And once the display clears and hot water flows normally again, your tankless water heater reset is complete. In most cases, resetting an Rheem tankless water heater helps recover the system after power outages, electrical faults, unresponsive controls, or sudden error codes. If error codes continue after a reset, it's important to understand what they mean. For example, an error code indicating long continuous operation usually means hot water taps were left running too long. Combustion related errors often point to dirty air filters or airflow issues that require cleaning. Ignition related errors, however, should always be handled by a qualified technician for safety reasons. Before troubleshooting error codes, start with a safe reset. First, turn off power to the unit using the breaker or power switch. Next, locate the red reset button, which may be on the control panel or inside the unit depending on the model. Press and hold the reset button for several seconds until you hear a click or see the indicator change. Then wait about 30 to 60 seconds for the system to restart fully. Finally, restore power and test hot water to confirm normal operation. On newer models, the reset option may appear on the digital display instead of a physical button, so always refer to your model's user manual. Regular maintenance, especially cleaning the inlet water filter, can prevent most error codes and significantly extend the life of your unit, which can last up to 20 years with proper care. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we explained how to reset a Rheem tankless water heater and understand common error codes. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple home repair guides.